could go ahead and start again. People versus Francis Sakaya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. King,
Yes,
I
this is
interrupted
APA
you
Larry
and
King.
I interrupted you, and Ms. Greer's here on behalf of Mr. Sakaya. I interrupted you in the middle of your statement because I realized I wasn't live streaming. So you have the
This is
victim
APA
in
Larry King.
with
I'm
you.
here in the conference room with the complaining witness, Ms. Jacqueline Sakaya. I've reviewed a letter that she sent me. I've had a in-depth conversation with her about her wishes in this case. And it's my understanding that she does not want to move forward. And based on what she's told me, I would be agreeing to dismiss the matter today. Mrs. Sakaya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can the court hear Mrs. Sakaya?
Yes.
Mrs. Sakaya, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. So she's stated on the record that's her.
Ms. Greer, any objections to the dismissal?
No, Your Honor.
Then the case is now prossed. It's dismissed. Thank you very much. Thanks, Mr. King. In 10 minutes, we'll do the Ashby
Thank you
motion.
very much, Mrs.
All right,
Sakaya.
thank you. Thanks, Ms. Greer.
Thank you.
Ms. Belcher, I think Mr. King is going to jump on in just a minute and we'll do Mr. Ashby's case. Mr. Ashby, can you hear me okay? Apparently not. Mr. Ashby, can you hear me?
Your Honor, I don't think he's connected. I'll run over to his car while we're waiting for Mr. King and tell him to connect his
Yeah,
audio.
hang on. Yeah, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Is it working, Miss? Leanna Belcher's.
Judge,
Yes.
we may have to come in. His phone is saying that his audio is connected, but he
No, it
cannot.
says connecting to audio right now. His actual thing, it's the little dots are saying it's connecting right now.
Okay, because
But Miss Belcher, if you want to, because Larry King's gonna jump on right now, you can stand right there where you're at.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do you know what I'm saying? Just stand next to him and move the camera so he can see us, and that works too.
Okay, let me run right back over by him.
Okay, thanks. Yep.
Uh-huh.
Bye. Are you there, Miss Belcher?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. And I know you're outside because the defendant's having trouble connecting, Mr. King. On People versus Brandon Ashby, this matter was set today for a live bench trial. It's now 10 o'clock. Mr. King, are you ready to proceed?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, the complaining witness has not appeared, so I'm not able to proceed at this time.
And I have Miss Belcher's motion, which in response to your notice to introduce, I'm gonna rule on her motion that you can't proceed without the complaining witness, and I'll dismiss this case. I'll release Mr. Ashby off the tether also.
Thank you, Your Honor. Does he need to wait for paperwork?
You know what? Why don't we, hang on one second, let me call Heather. Hang
Okay.
on.
Thank you, Judge. So we're gonna wait and see, okay? We need it.
Miss Belcher? Miss Belcher?
Yes,
I
Judge.
just talked to Heather and she said that she's gonna fax it to the Tether unit. He should wait until tomorrow and then go down and they'll take it off.
Do you hear the judge? Okay. Thank
Okay,
you, Your Honor.
perfect. All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Mr. King, let me know. We'll wait till 10:30 on, Miller.
Is Mr. Miller present?
I will double check. I think he is, but I will check.
Have a great day, Judge.